Hello everybody, it's Reggie here. Just a quick video on the layout. As you can see, there's a new addition to the fleet, which is the Acura Scale Class 37. This is the Direct Rail Services 37609. There's been a lot of videos about unboxing and going through all the features, etc. This is the sound fitted one, so I won't go through everything. It's fantastic locomotive, and for the price at £259, which undercuts the people like Bachmann massively really on their sound locos. The detail is superb, the running's superb. It's got a lot of features on it, like the engine lights and cab dashboard lights, etc., which are great. The actual headlights I thought were a little dim, but I don't know, maybe they're okay, maybe that's right. Some of the other locomotives from other manufacturers seem a bit brighter. I'll just show you this though. So this is the function list, and it starts and it goes from 1, marker lights on, off, engine, etc., all the way through 16, 17, 18, 19. Then we go over here and cab lights, engine room lighting, night lights, depot lights, right up to 29 functions. Now, personally, for me, I probably won't use 20% of those functions. I'll use the lighting functions, I'll use the stop start obviously, and the flange squeal maybe, and the compressor, but yeah, a lot of functions on there. I don't know enough about running locomotives to know exactly what I should be doing and shouldn't be doing. So I do sometimes wonder if they're getting a little bit too complicated with features that we don't really need, but maybe some people do want all those features. That's fine. I'll just use the ones that I want to use. You also get a good catalogue, brochure, well, information on the history, set out very nicely. Lots of photos, which is good. I like the way they've sort of made it look something old out of British Rail. And then of course you get the actual instructions with exploded diagram and care instructions. I've not put the detail pack on yet. I will do that. I think I'll put it on at this end, and I'll probably get some of the Acura Scale drivers to fit in it as well. But yeah, brilliant loco. Good addition to the fleet. I've got the Colas one on order as well, so that will be coming out towards the end of the year. So yeah, it was just to show you that. I will put it on startup. Doesn't have a cold start, I don't think, so you just have the normal startup procedure. Yeah, does sound very nice. I don't know how the camera's picking that up, but yeah, does sound excellent. So I will do a few running shots with this, just to let you see it running around the layout. Now I had a question the other day, a comment on one of my previous videos. Let's turn that off. One of my previous videos about the SL 90 double slip. So I'm just going to take you over there and we'll have a look at that. So here we are at the double slip on the layout, and I did a video ages ago, over a year, 2 years ago, I don't know, about wiring this up with the point motors and how to wire it, etc., which got a lot of views and hopefully helps a lot of people. But I did have one comment the other day from someone who was fitting one about whether there were any springs on the tie bars as there are on the normal Pico points. And to be honest, I replied that I just couldn't remember. I can't remember whether I removed springs or not, because if you're using slow action point motors, you know you have to remove the springs. So if anybody does know if there are any springs, if they've done it recently, it's just so long ago that I did it that I can't remember whether I did remove springs. If there were any, I must have done. But looking at it, it's going out of focus. Looking at it, I couldn't tell you. So if anyone can help that person out, that'd be great. Okay, so that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Not a lot to report this month on the layout. Added some lights and some bits and bobs, but not really done anything. So we'll leave it with a little bit of a running session of the new Class 37 and one or two others. Thanks for watching. Bye.